Lift up that little turd. What, Josh? Awesome. Oh my God. Micah, do a gainer, dude.
Hey, it's still, it kind of shocked me still. I wasn't even wet. We just came from the beach. Oh, my
Your underwear are wet. Do that gainer with a twist or whatever. Chase, suck it in a little bit. Tighten up. Wow.
There is nobody fatter than Dad.
What? That's redonkulous right there. Well, I gotta be the fat kid.
Micah, you look tan.
God, that is awesome. All right, Micah, you do it. You do one with a twist this time. Holy crap! It just zoomed in. How did I do that?
You tapped on your screen. I bet you tapped on your screen.
The what?
volume button.
Really?
Zoom in and out.
Tap on your screen.
Who made you the smart one? All right, Mike, I got this. Come on. Don't moon me either, you little shit. Turd. I'm hitting the volume buttons, and I'm hitting the screen. Go, Vajish!
Seriously, can you get the water?
Sleep on the couch naked? What is it? Let me have it. That thing's nice, dude. Yeah, I'm filming these little farts jump off this boathouse.